Today I'm going to share with you about our first few days in Pakistan. So it was right here where I was trying to record my Insta stories and I got attacked by you know who. And ever since that day, I'm too scared to even come near this window. For those of you who missed our stories on Instagram, here's a little recap of what happened when I was trying to unpack our suitcases.
मैं बड़े मन से अपनी स्टोरीज बना रही थी बैठ के और एकदम यहाँ से छिपकली आ गई किधर है So my savior is here.
तो छिपकली वाला स्प्रे
देखो बंद क्यों कर रहे हो
नहीं जाए
तो मैं तो जा सकूं वो वैसे ही नीचे गिरेगी पता है कहाँ जा रही है वो वैसे पंखे से खोल रही है
effective on lizard also मर जा भाई
जिंदा है
हाँ बस क्या होती है
She's back. So we are making space so that we can find the chipkali easily. यहाँ से हमने सोफा हटा दिया है.
I'm super scared of lizards. I just can't stand them. और अभी जब मैं फिल्म कर रही हूँ तो I'm scared कि इधर से ना निकल आए उधर से ना निकल आए. So you can't imagine कि मेरे शुरू के यहाँ के दिन कैसे थे. For someone like me who just can't stand them. So, but I did kind of fight my fears. And I did sleep in the same room where I saw the lizard. So that is a huge deal for me. You guys were kind enough to share some tips with us to get rid of the lizards. And I'll share all the tips with you all in case you are in a similar boat. We did try a few tips, but we don't know what really worked. The weather is changing here also. So I think that has helped and we don't see them that much. If you're still wondering what happened to the lizard, well, we found a dead body underneath our bed, but it was too gross to show. And we don't know if it was the same lizard or some other lizard that we tried to kill, but it disappeared. So here are the tips that you guys shared with us. So there were mixed opinions about the spray that we were using. Some said that they work, and some of you said that they don't work and that you have to smash it with a broom, which Awais couldn't. Someone said Dettol is also effective, tried and tested. Or Dettol was mixed in water already बना हुआ था, वो उठाकर डाल दिया था मैंने. Someone said King Talk spray works, and a few said that Cobra, especially the one that's made for lizards, that works. And we tried that and it actually worked. Someone said, I'm telling you guys, wiper stick is helpful to guide them out from the doors. If only Awais could do that. Someone recommended lizard injection. How does that work? Like, how does it work? Like, lizard injection? Like, I would really like to know how does this work. Please, if you know how this works, please let us know in the comments. This sprays almost never kill them. Try a good smack with the wiper or something similar. Okay. My friend suggested me once, say 3 times to her, अगर तुम कोई और मखलूक हो तो चली जाओ. Like I don't do that already. My husband is like this and always pays me when I kill one. Rates are increasing with every passing year. This one is actually good, but I would pay Uwais. I wouldn't want any money because I don't want to do anything with them. Viper bhi chal sakta hai, but nishana should be perfect. हमारे निशाने आपने देखे थे. This one I tried. Reciting Surah Maun also keeps the home safe from creepy crawlies. I actually did try this after every namaz for a few days, but I don't think that worked because I saw one after that as well. Then I stopped doing this. So yeah, maybe it will work for you. So do let us know if this works. So काफ़ी सारे लोगों ने बोला that eggshells work, but हमने अभी तक try नहीं किया है, and I really hope कि try करने की ज़रूरत भी ना पड़े. And this last one, you need to find a pan shop, get the red paste katha, they put on the pan leaf, rub a little on the top of your door. So yeah, someone recommended katha, जो कि पान की दुकान पे बड़ी आसानी से मिल जाता है. ये भी हमने try नहीं किया है, but I think अगर कोई recommend कर रहा है तो it might have worked for them. So if you have any other tips, please share with us. That's it for today. I think I have grossed you out enough, and I do feel like taking a shower myself. If you're not following me on Instagram, you are missing out on little tidbits of my life. So go follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and goodbye.